Hello everybody, I'm just going to ask for your attention a little bit longer today, and I want to speak about two things. First, my mom and I would like to extend our gratitude to all of you, our viewers and subscribers, for we have come so far. It's been 9 months since we began this channel. Yes, August 7th of last year was when we launched our first video, and now we've come to where we are, to building this beautiful YouTube community that we have. So thank you. Yeah, it's been 9 months, and that brings me to the second thing that I want to speak about, and that is about this coming Sunday. The world is going to be celebrating Mother's Day. So I, as a daughter, as a child, wish all the lovely mothers out there a very, very happy Mother's Day. You are blessed and you are loved. And also, because we are so grateful for everything, about all the support that you all have extended to us, we have something very special coming up for you next week on Friday. So do stay tuned and stay safe. You're blessed.